Alfred's practicing typing, and the first time he tested himself, he could type 45 words per minute. Then, after practicing for a week, he increased that by 3 words to 48 words per minute. After 2 weeks, he increased by another 3 words per minute to 51 words per minute. By this pattern, how fast will Alfred be able to type after 4 weeks of practice? Let's make a table of this, because it helps to do it just to keep track of what we're doing here. Okay, so I'm going to say, let's call this weeks of practice, and then words per minute. Okay. And then let's just write numbers out. Well, after 0 weeks of practice, 0 weeks of practice when he first started, before he practiced, he was doing 45 words a minute. Okay. After practicing for a week, 1 week of practice, he was up to 48. After 2 weeks of practice, he could type 51. And then they skip over what happened after 3 weeks and ask about 4 weeks. Be careful that you don't just add another 3 on and don't realize that you're actually going 2 more weeks from what was the last time they gave you information. They said after 2 weeks, 51. Let's keep filling in the table. After 3 weeks, 54. After 4 weeks, 57. So the question is, how fast will it be able to type after 4 weeks of practice? One skill that you need to do is be able to see that this is increasing by +3 every time. +3 every time. That's a predictable pattern, and then you can continue that pattern up as far as you need to. But we need to go further than just 1 more week, because they actually gave us for 2 weeks and then said all the way out to 4 weeks. So we just continue the pattern until we get to 4 weeks, and we see that after 4 weeks, it is 57 words per minute. So we're going to circle that. That's B. Done.